Most Python tutorials skip the setup. They say just install Python and move on. Then you spend 3 hours googling why nothing works. And that's not gonna happen. Not today. I'm going to walk you through the exact setup I use step by step. And you will be coding in 5 minutes. Let's do this. First, we need Python, right? Go to python.org. I'll put the link in the description, no worries. Click downloads. It should automatically show you. If you are on Windows, you will see these options, and for Mac and for Linux, you have all the options. Click download. Whatever version is fine for now. We can even download the latest version. Okay, I don't think I think I need this. It's fine. Now it's getting downloaded. Most of the people will do one mistake that will make them suffer a lot, and they will be doing research a lot, and they will came to know, oh, this is silly thing I missed in the starting itself. Let's not do that here. Okay, when the installation completed, you can install. Now here I already have that Python in my lab, that is Windows. And the mistake I mentioned is like, check this box, add Python to path. This is the big mistake 90% of beginners make. If you don't check this, nothing will work later. Check it. You can give install now, and it will, install in the respective packages. I know this will be easy for next. You can do it. Click install now. This will take a minute or two. Go grab some water. Next. I already have. Okay, done. Now let's verify it worked. Open your terminal. Okay. You can go with on Windows, press Windows key plus R and then type CMD and then click enter. On Mac, press command plus space, type terminal, press enter. Okay, now we are in Windows. You can give now Python version. Oh, now you can see there is it, right? Perfect. Python is installed. If you see a version number, you are good. If you see an error, check the description. I have got some troubleshooting tips there. Okay. Now we need a code editor. Obviously, I use VS Code. It's free, it's powerful, and it's what most professionals use. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Right. I'll do that. Code.visualstudio.com. Okay. Yeah, here it is. This is for Windows. Click the big download button. Again, it will detect your OS automatically, download it, install it. Standard installation is fine. Just click through the installer. Okay, and once it's installed, open VS Code. You will see a welcome screen, I guess, because I'm opening this after a long period of time. Now we need the Python installation. Before that, let me verify I have in the empty directory. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now we need the Python extension. Click the extension icon on the left sidebar. It looks like, 4 squares, right? Here, or press, you can have the shortcut like Control Shift X, I think so. And search for Python. You will see one by Microsoft. It has millions of downloads. Click install. You can trust. I think so. This extension gives us syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging, essential stuff. And while we are here, let's install one more. I don't know whether you guys know about it. This is the one I found by myself. Python Intet. It helps with formatting. Search for it, install it. Trust me, you will thank me later. This is the one. All right. What's the status? What's the status? My network is full. Oh, what is happening? All right, I think it's done. Let's go to the moment of truth. Let's write your first Python program. Okay. Okay. Click command new and save it as Control S. Thing already here. I can save hello and come on. I miss my mouse. Hello dot py. The .py extension tells VS Code this is Python code. Okay. Now let's go into the code of simple thing. Now type this. Now print and hello world. I like this simple always. I'll do this and exactly that like that. Print open parenthesis code hello world code close parenthesis. Now let's run it. Right click on the file and you have to find run Python file in terminal. Right here it is. Okay, there you are. There you are. Okay, or we can press F5 so that it will be a good shortcut. You will get to know after having so many experience in the VS Code. There it is, your first Python program. You just told the computer to print text and it did. This is where it all starts. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Create a new file. Okay, let's create another file. Call it as something like test.py. I think yes, right. Okay, here you can give, let's do something very basic. Name equal to, what's my name? How can I call me? Let's do this is the way I'm getting stuck. Let's do son of God is my name. Don't take it as in a wrong way. And my age is 25. And let's print the result. I know in the now we will be getting stuck. What is this? What is that? Like that. But it will all be fine zone because I'll be taking all the things in detail in future videos. I am, what is that age? Yes, well, this is very basic. Yeah, I think you know that. Let's run it. You should see your name, right? And age printed. If you do, congratulations, you are ready to code. If you see an error, check the description for common issues. Okay. Before we finish, let me save you some headaches. Here are the mistakes I see all the time. Okay. Mistake one. I think I can denote the mistake one as not adding Python to path. If you see Python is not recognized, you didn't add Python to path. Reinstall Python and check that box, or else you have to go to the environment variables and you have to add the this Python installed path in the path folder in the environment variables, and then you have to save it and then you have to restart it accordingly. And mistake two is that using Python 2. Python 2 is dead really, man. Make sure you install Python 3. Check with Python hyphen version. It should say 3 or something like that. In the starting it should be 3. Mistake 3, wrong file extension. Your file must end in dot py, not in dot txt or dot py.txt. You have to be very careful. Just it has to be dot py. Okay. And mistake four, I can say typos in print. Python is really case sensitive. Print with capital P won't work. It's print fully lowercase. If you are stuck, comment below. I'll help you obviously. You did it actually. You have got Python installed, VS Code setup, and you have written your first program. This is the foundation. Everything builds from here. In the next episode, we are diving into variables and data types that we have done here. And this is where Python starts to make sense. You will learn how to store information, work with different types of data, and build your first useful program. Brother, congratulations for that. If this helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want to learn Python from zero to AI. Now, new episodes every week I'll try to post. Comment below and tell me what do you want to build with Python. I read every comment seriously. See you in the next comment. Let's code. Thank you.